Good morning everyone, I'm Smileypeacefun and welcome to another special Follow Me Around. For the next week I will be in Vienna, and if you follow me for quite a bit you know what that means. It's TDT time. TDT is a local Austrian domino group, comes together every year and does a whole lot of very cool domino projects. I will definitely link all the videos from the last few years in the video description below. I need to hurry up because I need to go to the airport, and yeah, I hope you will have fun following me for the next week and watch me set up a lot of dominoes together with my friends from Austria.
They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we die for it, we live for forever. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we live for it, we live for forever. You at the hideout, where we can dream again. I'll tell you all my secrets.
Good morning guys, it's day 2. And today we actually start building on our domino project. Yesterday we prepared a lot. We will do a very cool project with UV light where we have very special dominoes. We will do a big project with the game Catan, which is a board game we will turn into a big domino project. And we will also have a project involving glow sticks. So a lot of unconventional domino projects. As always, you will find the whole videos on the YouTube channel of Austrian Domino Art. So if you want to see full fall downs, go over there. So let's go and start building.
We're encouraged like a second skin. The kids are all dying. We're dying to believe again. Run through the open streets. We take what is needed. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we die for it, we live for forever. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we live for it, we live for forever. We can dream all night till the sun rises. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we die for it, we live for forever.
Good morning everybody, it's day 3. I had a lot of fun building the Catan task yesterday and hopefully we will finish that today. The weather is pretty nice and I'm gonna go shopping because I need some new pants. Getting to the hall, building, I will have fun. I hope you do as well. Let's go.
I'll meet you at the airport. You know that we can touch the sky. Dancing in the aisles. We're skating on clouds of fire. The kids are all dying. We're dying to believe again. Run through the open streets. We take what is needed. Open up the skies. See the heavens clearer. I could change your mind. We know where we came from. Set our hearts on fire. The dreamers are all here. We could change your mind. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we die for it, we live for forever. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we live for it, we live for forever.
Good morning, it's day 4 and we yesterday finished the split end project and we also finished the Catan project. It looked so amazing. Today we're gonna tackle some new projects. I'm really excited, so let's go to the hall.
They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we where we can dream again. I'll tell you all my secrets. We're encouraged like a second skin.
Good morning, everybody. It's day 5. If you saw my follow me around of the last TDT, you know that there was a very special project where we had builders being part of the chain reaction. It was so fun coming up with creative ideas, what people could do to trigger something or to have a challenge or so. Today we're gonna do the same thing but bigger, and I'm so excited. I hope we will not have a lot of fails. And also yesterday we started the plexiglass project. I don't know if you call it like plexiglass, I hope so, like plexi plate. This is such a cool project. Very complicated, very difficult to build, but I love it. I'm very motivated. So let's go to the hall and build on our projects. Yay!
clearer. I could change your mind. We know where we came from. Set our hearts on fire. The dreamers are all here. We could change your mind. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we die for, we live for forever.
Good morning, everybody. It's day 6, and yesterday we finished our Builders Challenge project, and it only took us 8 takes. That's like really not much. I'm very proud of our team. And also we're gonna do a sports challenge. I'm excited to see how that will go. We are a little bit late, so I need to hurry. Let's go.
They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we die for, we live for forever. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we live for, we live for forever. I'll meet you at the hideout, where we can dream again. I'll tell you all my secrets. We're encouraged like a second skin. The kids are all dying. We're dying to believe again. Run through the open streets. We take what is needed. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we die for, we live for forever. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we live for, we live for forever. We can dream all heavens clearer. I could change your mind. We know where we came from. Set our hearts on fire. The dreamers are all here. We could change your mind. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we die for, we live for forever. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we live for, we live for forever. We can dream all night till the sun rises. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we die for, we live for forever. We live for forever.
Good morning, everybody. It's day 7. Today we're gonna finish, hopefully, the glow-in-the-dark screen link project. And yesterday we finished our awesome extreme structure. It was one of my favorite projects in a long time. This is my roommate here in the hotel, and TDT is soon over already. But yeah, let's go.
They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we die for, we live for forever. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we live for, we live for forever. I'll meet you at the hideout, where we can dream again. I'll tell you all my secrets. We're encouraged like a second skin. The kids are all dying. We're dying to believe again. Run through the open streets. We take what is needed. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we die for, we live for forever. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we live for, we live for forever. We can dream all night till the sun rises. They say you're only young ones, but we live for, we die for, we live for forever.
Well, good morning, guys. It's the last day I'm here at the lobby. I'm waiting to get picked up. Today we will clean the hall we built it in, and then everybody will go home. It was an amazing week as always. The people were so amazing. Like, I got to see Steve again, Surprise Machines. He's such an amazing person. But I also got to see, for example, Jonathan again. I have not seen for over 5 years. It's so great being around Domino and machine builders because they just share the same passion. Together we can do so many great things. Especially the hosts, Austrian Domino Art. They did such an amazing job in hosting the TDT event as always. Let's go!